Hi everyone, today I would like to compare city life in and country life. Life in the city is busy and modern, while life in the countryside is quiet and peaceful. City people are often in hurry, but, but country people are friendly and helpful. At night, the city is full of light and activity, while the countryside is calm and quiet. City buildings are tall and modern, while country houses are small and cozy. Public transport in the city is convenient, but in the countryside, people usually ride motorbike or bicycle.